Hello there, my name's Sue Wallace. I'm the Chief Executive of North Devon Against Domestic Abuse. The aims of our charity are in the support of our community to try and eradicate domestic abuse. Our charity has been operating in the community for nearly 45 years now. Domestic abuse can happen to anyone. We work with women, children and men. The bedrock of our charity is our refuge, which is the only one in the administrative area of Devon County. There, we support women and children who, for their own safety, need to leave their homes, and we support them to a future of happier, healthier and safer lives. The coronavirus pandemic has had a marked effect on the lives of those living with domestic abuse. Lockdowns and travel restrictions make it harder for women and their children to escape, and much easier for their abusive partners to control their lives. The design of the Bleyer Silver Unity Round really for us epitomises the feeling in NDADA that it's only together that we can change lives for the better. The linked hands is a really strong message. Of course, with no dedicated public funding, we are so grateful for the help towards financing our services. But almost more importantly, private donations tell our clients something about themselves that they have either never known or have long forgotten, that they are important, that somebody out there cares, and that someone has their back. That's a really very empowering feeling. And we thank everyone at Blayers, all the staff and customers, for helping to make a positive difference to the lives and futures of families devastated by domestic abuse.